Let's make easy tortilla chips, fried or baked. Take several store-bought or homemade corn tortillas, I just used leftover tortillas from tacos, and cut them into wedges. Then place them in a bowl or on a plate. These will be fried. For the baked ones, brush both sides of the tortilla with cooking oil, then cut into the wedges. Sprinkle on a pinch of salt. Place them on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Bake at 275 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Then flip the chips over and bake another 5 to 10 minutes until crispy. For the fried ones, heat a pot or deep skillet of oil to 325 Fahrenheit, 162 Celsius. Then add several of the wedges. Cook for about a minute or so per side until lightly golden brown and crispy. Place on a plate lined with a paper towel. Then sprinkle on some salt. Here we have the fried ones on the left and the baked ones on the right. Serve warm. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.